Mineral Deposits Limited owns 50% of the TiZir joint venture in partnership with Eramet of France. The TiZir joint venture comprises two integrated operating assets, the Grand Côte Mineral Sands Operation, GCO, in Senegal, West Africa, and the TiZir Titanium and Iron Ilmenite Upgrading Facility, TTI, in TiZir, Norway. Over a mine life of more than 25 years, GCO has a nameplate production capacity averaging 85,000 tonnes of zircon and 575,000 tonnes of ilmenite per annum. GCO is the largest single-dredge mineral sands operation in the world. Ensuring control of product from mine to ship is central to GCO's cost-effectiveness. This logistics and infrastructure self-sufficiency starts with Yene, a large-scale mineral sands dredge with the ability to extract 7,000 tonnes of mineralised sand per hour. Moving through mobile coastal dunes, Yene extracts ore from the front of the dredge pond and pumps sand and water to the floating wet concentrator plant, which separates the heavy mineral concentrate from the lighter sand through a staged spiral gravity separation process. HMC is then trucked to the mineral separation plant. Within the Mineral Separation Plant, or MSP, the heavy mineral concentrate is upgraded and separated through a wet and dry circuit process. The wet circuit process separates minerals into magnetic and non-magnetic streams. These two streams are then processed in the dry mill, which uses screening, electrostatic and various stages of magnetic separation to produce the final products, being 2 grades of zircon, 2 grades of ilmenite, and small quantities of rutile and leucoxene. Our 36 megawatt power station at the MSP is capable of being powered with heavy fuel oil, natural gas or diesel, providing GCO with power supply security. Using GCO's own locomotives and rolling stock, we shift our product over 120 kilometres of GCO-owned or controlled railway from the MSP to the port of Dakar. GCO has its own warehousing and ship-loading facilities, as well as secure mole access at Dakar port. Once fully loaded, ships depart for delivery to off-take customers or for processing at TTI in Norway. Commencing ilmenite upgrading operations in 1986, TTI has a long and stable production history and is one of only a handful of such facilities of its type in the world, and the only one in Europe. TTI smelts ilmenite to produce upwards of 200,000 tonnes per annum of high-quality titanium products, which are primarily sold to pigment producers, and around 100,000 tonnes per annum of high-purity pig iron, a valuable co-product that's sold to ductile iron foundries. TTI's excellent positioning on the Hardanger Fjord, just off the North Sea, allows for year-round shipping and direct loading from the facility, enabling quick access to worldwide consumers. Managing GCO and TTI as a single, vertically integrated operation creates a number of important advantages for our business. In particular, securing offtake for a majority of GCO's ilmenite, ensuring long-term security of ilmenite supply for TTI, and providing the flexibility to produce either a chloride or sulfate-grade titanium-rich feedstock for key global customers. Each of these elements minimises the risk of the combined business, while increasing flexibility and optionality to respond to changes in market dynamics, thereby enhancing the potential financial returns. Both assets operate with a high standard of health and safety, environmental sustainability, and community responsibility.